Hi friends, today we are at the Orange County Convention Center and we are at the Home and Garden Show. Thanks for joining me and let's check it out together.
First up, something straight out of a storybook, Fairy Tale Gardens. They offered hands-on classes on how to create your very own miniature fairy garden. I came across a stall with beautiful handcrafted woodwork made into ornaments, jewelry boxes, and more. The craftsmanship is incredible, and these would make such special gifts. One of the coolest booths here is Critter's Exotic Pet Rescue. They have pythons and even a tortoise available for adoption. It's great to see organizations helping these animals find loving homes. If you love plants, you would have been amazed by Topiary Tree. They had a stunning living wall mural, air plants, and topiaries shaped like animals. A true work of art. I've always admired living wall murals. For all my fellow gardeners, I found mini hydroponic as well as aquaponic systems that come in kits with everything you need. Super cool if you want to try to grow food sustainably. There were also many gardening decor options, ironwork pieces, sun chairs from Outdoor Wonders, and even customized rock engravings from Boulder Designs, which can be used from anything from home decor to pet memorials. One of the cutest parts of the event was the Sit Means Sit dog training booth. They had an adorable Dalmatian and a few other dogs showing off their training skills. It was amazing to see how well behaved and responsive they were. If you're looking for a great training program for your pup, this might be worth checking out. If you love outdoor cooking, you'd love the setups from Paradise Grills and G6 Grills. Paradise Grills lets you customize everything from the materials to the placement of your fridge and stove. Meanwhile, G6 Grills caught my eye with their LED lit countertops. Super stylish. For those into art and home aesthetics, there were hand-painted murals by Mural Art. Perfect for businesses or nurseries. And if you love modern water features, Cityscape fountains had beautiful designs. There were also unique sporting surfaces by Softrock Orlando. Durable sunroom tiling from Sundeck. For those who are looking to upgrade their outdoor spaces, Madison Landscape had a great selection of rail and turf grass for your yard. Whether you want a natural lawn or low-maintenance turf option, they had something for everyone. One thing I appreciated about the show is the live demonstrations. There was a Smart Living steam mop.
So if you have a stain on your rug, like a coffee stain, a food stain, or a red stain, you get my good side, okay? This is what you're going to do. For a stain, you're going to put this on top. You're going to let it sit on there for about 10 seconds. And you're going to rock it and forth. And you're going to do that in a semicircle like this. Now, why am I doing that? I want to make sure I get both sides of the carpet.
Kitchen Craft waterless cooking caught my attention because we use the water fry method at home and in our recipe videos. It's such a healthier way to cook. These are Vibratech vibration plates. They are great for circulation and even reducing cellulite. For relaxation, they had luxury hot tubs and massage chairs from Osaki that took comfort to another level. After all this walking, I wish I could have taken one home with me. Here we came across these elegant pianos. One of the most breathtaking displays at the show was from Everlast Inc. Orchids and Supplies. They had an incredible variety of orchids with colors ranging from deep purples and fiery oranges to delicate pinks and pristine whites. Some of the orchids had massive blooms, while others were more compact, perfect for small spaces and indoor decor. Orchids are often seen as delicate plants, but many varieties are actually surprisingly easy to take care of. If you provide them with bright, indirect light and water them correctly, usually once a week, they can thrive for years. Some types were surprisingly quite fragrant. The prices were super affordable, making it easy for anyone to take home a little piece of tropical beauty. Our last stop was the Yard Garden Center Landscaping. It had a huge collection of shrubs, roses, and flowers for sale. They offered a lot of inspiration for your outdoor space. Whether you're looking to add vibrant blooms to your garden or create a lush green landscape, they had a wide selection to choose from. It was a plant lover's paradise. Overall, the 2025 Home and Garden Show was a fun experience, but I did feel like there was more focus on the home side rather than gardening this year. I was really hoping to see more hydroponic towers for inspiration and maybe even purchase one. If there is one you recommend, certainly let me know. What did you guys think? Have you been to a home and garden show before? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next adventure. See you next time.